Let's differentiate these quotients by the quotient rule. If we have the quotient of functions f and g, the derivative is g times the derivative of f minus f times the derivative of g divided by g squared. In A, we obtain that the derivative of sine x over x is in every case something divided by x squared, and we will get first x times the derivative of sine, that's cosine, then minus derivative of x, that's 1, times sine. And if we want to simplify this, we can write also as cosine x divided by x minus sine of x divided by x squared. In B, we have to differentiate the tangent function, and we can represent it as sine of x divided by cosine of x. By the quotient rule, the denominator of the derivative will be cosine of x squared, and we will get first cosine x times the derivative of sine. Derivative of sine is cosine x. Then minus the derivative of cosine. Derivative of cosine is minus sine. Now here the plus signs, minus signs cancel out, and we get a plus, and we get cosine squared plus sine squared over cosine squared of x. We can write this now in different ways. This divided by this would be 1, and this divided by this would be tangent squared. Well, even more simple might be that what are sine and cosine? If we have a circle of radius 1 and we have some angle x, then we get a triangle where the legs are cosine of x and sine of x. And the radius is 1, so by the Pythagoras theorem we have this identity. So in our quotient we have that numerator, okay, this one here is 1, so we would get 1 over cosine squared x. There are very many ways to write the answer in this exercise. Well, maybe my favorite would be this one. But all the ways to write the answer are they mean the same thing, so all of them are correct. Now at last we have to differentiate sine of x divided by e to power x. We get e to power x to power 2 in the down, and we can note that this is equal to e to power 2x, and the numerator would be like this. Derivative of sine is cosine, and the derivative of e to power x is e to power x. It seems that here we can cancel out with e to power x, and What would we get? E to power x cancels out, and we get cosine of x minus sine x over e to power x.